In this video, I'll show you how you can remove the tokens on your profile in League of Legends. Now first you want to close down League of Legends, just like this, and then open it up again. Now let's wait for this to load and then I can show you how you do it. So log into your account, and immediately after you log in, what you're gonna do is click on your profile. And I'll show you in 1 second. Wait for it to load. Now, once we are in, we're going to click on our profile up here, double tap the edit icon, and it will disappear. That's basically how you can do it. Now, if you click on here again, you'll see they'll be gone, and you can select new ones if you want, and that's basically it. Now, if you want, you can also remove your icon somewhere. Collection. Icons. Right here. Save. And that way your icon will be gone and all your tokens. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.